what's up? This is Matt from GoTherax. Today I want to go over lat pull down. So we're going to do two versions of this one. So we have our seat set up here. We have our lat pull down bar. This is a wide grip bar. I'm going to show you how we're going to use it both wide and narrow grip. So what I first want to do is we want to reach up and take this wide grip. Usually when we're doing this, we're going to do it with a wide grip. Now, what I want to do is I want to angle back just a little bit and I want to drive my shoulders down behind me. That's going to be step number one. So again, I've gotten this wide grip, I've angled back slightly, and now I've engaged my core and I pull my shoulders down behind me, and now I'm going to then pull it towards my chest. So again, if we do it slowly, you're going to see I've let those shoulders out, I pull them back and bring it down. Starting always initiating the movement with pulling those shoulders down behind me while keeping my core engaged. So this is the version one that we like to do. This is opening the chest with each one. Open the chest. Now another one that we'll do is we'll do this one either narrow, it can be both underhand or overhand, and we're going to try to engage the lats a little bit more by going into a curved body shape, engaging my core and kind of pulling into flexion and then pulling down in front of us. So this one engages the lats a little bit more. We like to do this a narrower grip, and then we engage here and we bring down here towards the bottom of the ribs, keeping that curled body shape with each rep. This one is going to bias pulling through the lats a little bit more, whereas on this wide one, we're going to bias pulling through our rhomboids and our low trap as we widen there. It depends on what you're looking for and what we're trying to target. Thanks.